Tukithina mbere ni ati mutetina mwonjoria Raphael Tuju ndarĩ arakinyio igooti-inĩ rĩa kĩbĩra ta ũrĩa gũtanyĩtwo thutha wake gũikio ngono mũthenya wa ira ndagĩka nini thutha wake kwĩyumĩria thutha wa gũkorwo agĩte kuma o mũthenya wa Jumamothi. Reke twambĩrĩrie mwena ũcio tũthikĩrĩrie kĩrĩa kĩragĩthiĩ na mbere.
Medical before me to give me an idea of what we are looking at. So between today and tomorrow, Senator has just said spinal. Will we be taken back to the police station? Assume that is what it is. And let's not assume. That is why I'm saying let's give the doctors time to do that which they must do. Why is everybody looking at me like this? Unless you came here with a very fixed mind, all of you. And that means fixed on this side and fixed on this side, except for the court.
If both the prosecution and the defense can forward to you by this evening a provisional medical report,
now, instead of you forwarding to me any medical reports this evening, okay, can't you just consent right now, both prosecution and defense, because you have had, and it's confirmed, he's under arrest, he's with the police. Can't you, prosecution and defense, consent that we let it be until tomorrow when this court gives directions on the way forward? Is it so hard for us to do that? For, let me say, I'm not done. I'm not done, councils. Let me finish this. Because then, these are things that we can agree upon. Remember, the doctors might say it's worse than it seems. They might say there's nothing. Painkillers will work, whatever it is. Can't we let the doctors do their part? Then, if you so wish, you can even appear before me tomorrow, before this 12 o'clock, or forward to me the medical reports before I make my pronouncement. Tomorrow morning, not tonight. Yes, Senior.
I think we are delivering the point. We allow you to make your decision tomorrow.
Yes.
In the meantime, I just bring to your attention that it is a matter of great importance to the welfare of this country.
Yes. Yes.
That's why some of us have come. And just to let you know, every reason. In fact, my learned friend here could very easily say, tell the police commanders to let him off.
Okay.
We're dealing with a very serious matter.
All right.
We will take your position that we meet tomorrow.
It's all right. Let me say this. Do not think that the court does not understand the magnitude of this matter. Senior, thank you for reminding us, all of us. But what I'm saying, if we are not able to agree, I have brought it forward one day. And the reason I asked for something medical, something to just tell the court this could be what it is, then allow me to give my directions in addition to what I have just said.
Na tukiuma igoti-inĩ rĩa kĩbĩra twambĩtigane na riboti ĩyo ya